All right, these burgers need some flavor. Let's use onion and garlic powder, pepper, salt, and a splash of paprika. Give that a great mix. All right, you can use your onions as burger rings to get the perfect looking burger. Fill them up, pack them tight, make sure they're nice and firm. Give them a flip and you've got the perfect burger. Once cooked, you can actually remove those onions and then chop them up to add them directly on your burger or keep them intact just like I have here. May have noticed I added a little bit more seasoning. I'm toasting up those buns, I'm adding some cheese, and I've cooked some mushrooms. I'm going old school tonight. Mustard, ketchup, lettuce, tomatoes, and loads of pickles. Uh-oh, that burger tower is starting to lean. Houston, we may have a problem. There's a burger tower of a champion right there. Stay there. Like in Rocky 4, don't go down. The tower went boom. That's okay. Didn't know how I was gonna eat it anyways. It's still gonna taste great. I'm just gonna de-layer in a normal burger. A bit more there. True burger style today. That's a burger tower. Boom. Oh. Boom. Messy as all heck, but it's fantastic.